13 place more mysterious than Bermuda Triangle. 1. The Sand Strip. On the coastal city of Ponani, a narrow strip of sand had surfaced along the beach and split the sea into two. Visitors try to walk on this 1,600 feet strip despite the danger of high tide washing it away. This natural phenomenon remains unexplained, although it's said that sand from a nearby river might have accumulated and formed this sand strip. 2. Sleepy Hollow. This town of Kalaki in Kazakhstan is a real-life Sleepy Hollow. In 2013, the residents of this town unexpectedly fell asleep all the time. They would just fall asleep anytime, anywhere. When the food and water were investigated, nothing out of the ordinary was found regarding the sleepiness. Later, in 2015, it was discovered that the increased level of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons that emitted from the nearby uranium mines had caused the oxygen level to drop down. This made people tired and sleepy all the time. 3. Kodinhi. This small town of Kodinhi, in the Malappuram district of Kerala, has 450 pairs of twins. In 2016, a team of researchers went to Kodinhi to find out the reason behind this phenomenon. They collected saliva and hair specimens of the twins but couldn't find any answer as to what causes so many twins to be born. 4. Unagani Monument. This monument was discovered in the mid-1980s by a scuba diver on the coast of Japan. The monument is thousands of years old, but what baffles the most is whether it's man-made or natural. It is unknown as to which ancient civilization it belonged to and how did that civilization get to the bottom of the ocean. 5. Georgia Guidestones. These guidestones are built in a star pattern. It states the post-apocalyptic life in 8 different languages. Hindi, Chinese, and Swahili are just a few of the languages it's written in. It has its astronomical calendar that finished on March 22, 1980. 6. Molodka's Anomalous Zone. This tourist attraction is built in Russia, which has a monument in an alien's shape. In 1983, a geologist found some luminous objects in the forest and later found round spots in the snow nearby. The alien height is that of an average man. 7. Stone Heads of Easter Islands. These stone heads have been here for hundreds of years and their reason for being there is unknown. According to some scientists, the local residents believe these heads make the soil fertile, and it even did so. The land around these heads is more fertile than ever. 8. The Hamakulia Volcano. The Hamakulia volcano is located in the Ring of Fire, Vile Vortex in Hawaii. The locals believe that the volcano has mysterious powers and treat it with utmost respect. According to some reports, strange electrical energy has been detected in this area. And according to one eyewitness, he saw a plane vanish in front of his eyes. 9. Göbekli Tepe. Some 11,000 years ago this place was made without the use of any metal or tools. The craftsmen managed to lift limestone blocks which were super heavy. How they did all this is still unknown. 10. Carhenge. This is a copy of Stonehenge made in Nebraska. The maker of this Carhenge created his version as a tribute to his father. The cars are connected to each other in arches while some stand like monoliths. 11. Lake Michigan Stonehenge. Another similar looking Stonehenge was found at the bottom of Lake Michigan in 2007. These groups of rocks had carvings of a mastodon, which is almost 10,000 years old. The location of this place is kept a secret so no one can find it. 12. Lightning Storm of Venezuela. In western Venezuela, over the mouth of the Catatumbo River, a lightning storm keeps on striking when the clock strikes 7. The storm doesn't stop for almost 10 hours and happens almost every night. The storm stopped once in 2010 and never happened for 6 weeks. According to scientists, it happens due to the conflict of the warm winds from the Caribbean and cool air from the Andes Mountains. 13. Indus Valley Civilization. This architectural site is located in modern-day Pakistan and dates back to 2500 BC. This was an advanced civilization and was built very methodically. The weird part is that no one knows how and when the civilization perished. Looking at the remains, it might have ended due to a natural disaster or maybe by an attack from a neighboring empire.